display things that are meaningful to us. We display our personality and our state of mind. But sometimes we change our minds, and change is good. Introducing Acanvas. Acanvas brings gallery-level art curation into your home with an innovative art frame and platform. Acanvas can be customized and hung anywhere, on any wall, thanks to a unique self-charging solution. The Acanvas app features a first-of-its-kind art station, providing a wide range of curated artwork streams to fit any taste or style. With frames that can easily be customized and millions of art pieces presented for discovery, the options for your home are truly endless. See something you want to capture and frame? Acanvas allows you to interact with your frame and family from anywhere. Acanvas enables you to play up your creative side and personalize your decor. So we found a way for Acanvas to automatically and quietly charge itself at night or when you are away. We then worked to build a frame that could easily be customized, blend into, and highlight any home's decor. You can even control multiple frames at once and further expand your decorating potential. Interacting with your Acanvas should be effortless, even second nature. Your Acanvas should amplify the current mood or vibe with either great art or meaningful imagery. You decide. Topic, color, season, themes, style, and more. The focus remains on the appreciation of art and how it relates to your life. Help us bring the beauty of art into the modern age.
This is a smart safe. Whether we're going out of town for a few days, or we're just having guests over, we like to keep our valuables hidden and secure.
Smart safes are a line of products designed to look like everyday household objects, but are actually hidden compartments. We tried other safes and they were either way too big and bulky, or they just took way too long to get into. Which can be a problem when storing objects you need daily access to, like jewelry or prescription medication. The vent fits between two studs, which makes it easy for anyone to install.
Smart safes use your phone to open up, and they give you a variety of ways to access your safe. Different open options allow me to customize my level of security. Oh, and if you don't have a smartphone or you just don't want to use one, you can always use your RFID card to open up.
The app keeps track every time your smart safe's used. Now you know who opens your safe and when. The shelves come in a variety of colors and styles, which makes it easy to find the one that matches your home. Now your valuables are locked and secured while conveniently accessible.
Hidden in plain sight.